Hello parents, Namaskar. I am Vidya Nair, branch head with Springvale Preschool, Machera, Ahmedabad. Today I am going to share with you our approach, Springvale Preschool's approach towards an effective learning. Our approaches are based on physical development, intellectual development, refinement of senses, social development, gross motor development and creative development. Now how these are going to help children in future is what I'll share with you. Physical development helps in developing better bone density, muscle strength, in better physical composure and all. Now how intellectual development helps is it helps child in memory, in attention, in dealing with things, with complex problems that they will be facing in when they are in the real world. You will be knowing how we have to face every task, how we tackle it is what will happen in intellectual development. Now refinement of senses. Refinement of senses helps a child in differentiating between different senses, in making proper decisions and in also being apt with sensorial works. How gross motor development will help them is it helps child in increasing their confidence. For example, if a child wants to get into a soccer team in future, they'll have to be physically strong and will also have to be strong from the mind. So these two that combine is called as gross motor development, where there will be swift actions to be taken, and that will have a combination of refinement of senses, physical development, intellectual development on all. That combinedly will come in gross motor development. Now what is creative development? Now for all of this, for physical development and for intellectual development, for all of these methods for the child to understand, you cannot expect a child to understand what physical development is or what intellectual development is at the age of 3 years. So how will you make them make them understand this? That is where you will use your own creativity, and seeing your own creativity, they'll be learning what creativity is, and that's when their creative development happens. The method that we use in inculcating these developments is what comes in creative development. Now creative development will help them in being emotionally and socially well aware, to get their concepts clear, to get their bases clear, to be physically fit, to be mentally strong is what all will come in creative development. Anything you wish can be added in creative development. The reason being, creative development is where the child starts realizing things, where you will be able to make them understand concepts, where you will be able to make them understand reasons. Now, what is social development? Social development is where the child has to differentiate. Now, that is a bit confusing because almost all developments are interlinked. Now, if I tell social development, it is more like how the child, creates friendships, or how he deals with people who create conflict is where his social development will come in. Social development will also teach the child how to communicate, how to be respectful, how to be transparent and all. Now, all of these 6 developmental stages or 6 developmental approaches are very important, are interlinked. You cannot simply give them physical development or just get away with creative development. No, physical development is in hand with intellectual development, is in hand with refinement of senses, and that is also interlinked with gross motor development, social development and creative development. All this combinedly make it easier for the child to face the real world when they are out in the world, to take their own decisions, or when they have to face the world on their own. These are the developments that will help them in future and will also take them to greater heights. So I hope this helped you out. We are starting an online session, online free demonstration from 18th of May till 22nd of May. Please get yourself registered on or before 16th of May to get the benefits of the free online demonstration. Hope you have a great day. Stay safe, be happy. Bye.